Enhance your OpenCart store with Knowband's AI content generator and translator for easy product descriptions and translations. Automatically generate high-quality product descriptions. Translate content into multiple languages effortlessly. Supports products, categories, CMS pages, and more. Powered by AI engines like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Bulk content CSV feature to quickly generate content for multiple products. Understanding video of AI content generator module on OpenCart store. First, we have to install the module on the store. To install the module, you have to first log in the FTP. On the right side, you will have a correct directory of your store. On the left side, you will have a correct directory of the location where you have installed the module. Once you have entered in the module file folder, then you will find the two files, OCMod and Upload. Under the Upload, you will find the System Catalog and Design tab. You have to select these files and drag it to your right side, where the exact file name will be mentioned, so that the file that you have dragged will get overwrite and the module will be installed. Once the file is installed and you have to go to the store, you will redirect to the Installer tab, where you will find an Upload button where you have to click and upload the OCMod file of your module. So you have installed the module completely, then you have to move on the Modification tab. Then you have to refresh so that the module will get activated for your store and clear the cache. After that, go on the extension, find your module from the Install button. You have to click on Edit. After installing the module, then you will be redirected to the General Settings page. On the General Settings page, the first step is to enable or disable the module. If you will make it enabled, then the module will be activated for your store. Then you are having a search engine of Chargeability Cloud Engine, DeepSeek, and Gemini. So here you have to enable the AI that you wanted to use for your store. At one time, you can use any one of them or you can enable all of them so that further, when you will use it, you will have an option to choose which AI you wanted to generate the product description and our product title. So you should have the keys of the respective engines, then only the module will work. Since they are paid, so you have to create around their specific stores. Here is the steps mentioned below, how you can have those keys in the configuration. Once you have all the keys of your engines, then next time is a content generator prompt, where the prompt has been given for the actions. Then we are having the task log. Here, all the tasks that the user will perform in the product category tab will be listed here. Then here we are having the product bulk action. In case you want to perform a single task on multiple products, then we can upload the CSV file here. First, we can install the download sample CSV file so that we can get to know what content is required to upload in a CSV. Once we have the same, we will upload it here. If the CSV is correct, it will be uploaded with the correct data. But first, you have to choose through which engine you wanted to proceed your actions. So we have selected, but it shows that the product does not exist. The file is processed successfully. So that we can check the same in the task log, you have to refresh. So here we are having an option of content generate. As you can see, the actions has been listed here. Generate category description, generate category meta title, generate category meta title description, translate category title, translate category description, translate category meta title, translate category meta description. So you have to choose the category and perform the action that you want. If you have selected Generate Category Description, then you will have a pop-up to choose from which engine you would like to proceed further. Once you have confirmed and click on Submit, you will have a pop-up message like the content is being generated in a few minutes. You can go back to the module and go to the task log. You will find a task log here. As soon as you will refresh, all the SNS that you will perform will get listed here, like this. And you can click on the rollback button so that the content that was previously listed will be shown on the previous content and the new content. Then if you will click on rollback, the old content will be back to their place. On the task log, this is how it gets listed. You can filter the details, like you can filter the shape by ID. You can filter by the prompt type if you want to filter all the category titles. So you can search by here. You can also filter it by the product name or the category name. So this is how the AI content generator module works on OpenCart Store. Thank you.